Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have a short, quick, little, fast friggin' unboxing, and this is the one that I've been telling you guys about. So maybe it won't be that fast, I don't know, but I'm freaking excited. I don't know how to open up the box. My unboxing knife for the day is the CRKT Calico that is brought to you by Jake. Thanks, Jake. Yeah, how's that for a... I always forget to say my unboxing knives, and people are like, what's your unboxing knife? So I guess that was kind of condescending. It wasn't meant to be. It was just meant to be stupid, but, you know, take that for what you will. Slap back, battle, that. Wow, dude, you're not playing around. This is some intense packing paper. So I told you guys I'm not telling you guys what I'm getting. So we're going to set this one off to the side. This is... I have no idea. I don't know which one's which. I'm hoping this isn't the one that I'm trying to do first. Okay. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Spyderco Smock. Let's see here. Oh, that's cool. So far, my favorite part of this knife is the fact that this button is like a compression lock. It's basically a compression lock, but there's a button, right? So you could top flip it. Check the action. Action's pretty good. Up and down, pretty good. Blade centering. A little off center, but not bad. You can use the compression lock button thing, but it's kind of like... I don't know how new this is. I was told that I don't think he used it hardly at all. It looks like the factory edge is perfectly fine. I'd be willing to bet that this was a catch and release. Because it's shaving hairs. It's freaking sharp. The Spyderco Smock. So I got this, and I had no intentions of picking one up, and this will probably be a catch and release for me after the review as well. But... unless I fall in love with it like I do every other knife and then have a problem. Maybe we'll keep it for a while. I got a problem. But this is the reason that I got that, because I kind of asked him for like a package deal. I was like, you know, I'll get 2 knives off you. I got it off of the Reddit EDC trade thing. But as I told you guys, Jake refused to sell me his PM3. So what did we end up with? The DLT Trading exclusive Crewwear PM3. Brand frickin' new. It was opened up just to see it and then put back. This dude happens to be one of those guys, and I don't know that I fault him. He happens to be one of those guys that buys several exclusive knives when they're out and then sells them for a little bit more. But in his defense... you know, you assume that they're bad people that do this because you're like, what a dick. I picked up this and the Spyderco Smock, which is gently used and not used at all for this DLT Trading exclusive, for $320. After the friends and family thing, it was like $330. So when you look this guy up, I want to say this is going for like $150 or $160 on DLT Trading, and this was going for brand new. So for $330, not too bad considering it's an exclusive. It's not a sprint run. I could have waited, but why did I end up with this? Well, I just started looking for a PM3 after Jake refused to sell me his PM3, and I decided to end up with at least something nice, because this is going to be a forever knife. I'm going to have this PM3 both for use and for comparison reasons, but I wanted to get my hands on it. But I told you guys there's something special in the works for this. So I'm going to go and I'm going to do I'm going to review the G10 PM3, and I will also review the lightweight PM3. I'll do the Crewwear. I'll find out the prices and kind of, give thoughts on that. But the reason that I wanted to do that was because I'm getting some special scales. And I couldn't find scales that I liked, and the ones that I did find that I liked were actually out. I was looking at, I think the Putnam, I think it was a Putnam, like my Micarta scales, but I wanted full contour. I don't want this flat. So I found somebody else. He watches the channel. His name is Matt Sabu. Matt has already agreed, and it's loosely agreed. He hasn't hard committed, but he says that he can make me some contoured dark scales to go with this black blade and give me a racing stripe, like a lighter gray or something to go. And they're going to be I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so nice. And I just didn't want this purple color. So at first I was like, I'll dye the scales. And then I'm like, it's a DLT trading exclusive. Why would you modify the scales? That's stupid. If you ever, for whatever reason, wanted to sell it, get a different PM3 or whatever, it's not going to be worth shit because you modified the scales. So I'm going to take the scales off, put them somewhere nice, keep them nice and purty, and then put the other scales on. So that's kind of where it led us. The Spyderco PM3, DLT Trading exclusive in crewwear and G10. Got to break in a little bit. The Spyderco Smock. Boom. That's about it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. Stay sharp, stay safe. Have a great freaking day.